Welcome to this explainer. If you've ever tried adding a simple chat feature to a website, you know exactly how frustrating it can get. Usually it just ends in bloated code, slowing down your pages, pushy sales reps blowing up your inbox, and this massive dashboard you never actually asked for. Today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're translating some dense software documentation into a clear, actionable guide on a brilliant and deliberately simple tool called tlk.io. Let's dive right in.
So, let's start off by asking a pretty fundamental question. Because, honestly, not every chat scenario requires a massive, complex internal team communication setup. Just imagine you're running a small local bakery, or maybe you're putting on a weekend community event. Sometimes your goal is totally straightforward. You just want a simple way for the people visiting your website to talk to each other, or just to say a quick hello to you. You absolutely do not need to force them through some complicated enterprise ticketing portal just to ask if you have blueberry muffins in stock, right?
Section 1. The Chat Widget Problem.
The current software market perfectly illustrates the mismatch we constantly see. Businesses just want a basic chat room, but commercial SaaS platforms, they often push these really expensive, heavy ticketing systems when that level of complexity just isn't needed yet. You look at what's out there and you see commercial widgets demanding $15 to $50 a month just to give you genuinely basic functionality. But the friction isn't just financial, right? It gets pushed onto your visitors too. These commercial platforms often demand email capture and account creation before a user can even type a simple hello, and that aggressively drives your bounce rates up. For use cases like a community forum or a one-off live event, you absolutely don't need a dedicated support ticketing system, you definitely don't want the subscription fee that comes with it, and your users, well, they don't want to hand over their personal data just to chat.
Section 2. Meet tlk.io.
This brings us to a highly effective, absolute breath of fresh air solution that's actually been around since 2012. The crucial point here is that tlk.io intentionally ignores the bloat to do one thing perfectly. It gives you a simple account-free chat space right on your website. It's released under an open-source license, which gives it incredible longevity, security, and transparency. Unlike the heavy team messaging platforms we've looked at previously, this one focuses strictly on embeddable group chat. And honestly, perhaps the biggest win for your website traffic, there is absolutely zero friction for your visitors. I mean, literally zero. A visitor types in a nickname, hits enter, and boom, they're instantly part of the conversation. There's no verification emails, no endless captchas to click through, no intrusive data harvesting. It is purely about immediate connection.
Section 3. Hosting and Key Features. Let's look at the mechanics of how this actually works and what makes it so incredibly easy to deploy. This straightforward three-step process only takes minutes, and it requires absolutely minimal technical effort to get live. You definitely don't need to hire a developer for this. You just generate the code right from their website, copy it, and drop it into your platform. Whether that's a WordPress site, a Shopify store, or a custom-built page, your real-time text conversation is ready to go. You also get basic customization to match your brand colors and moderator capabilities so you can actually manage the chat. Plus, because of its incredibly lightweight architecture, it loads rapidly without totally tanking your website's performance scores. Now, weighing the hosted versus self-hosted paths, you've really got two great options here. You can use their fully free hosted service for immediate setup, or you can use the open-source repository to self-host and keep your conversation data entirely private. If you go the hosted route, your chat data does pass through tlk.io's infrastructure. And for casual visitor chat, that's usually totally fine. But let's pause on that data security aspect for a second. If you operate in an industry with strict data privacy requirements, or you're worried about GDPR compliance for sensitive internal discussions, self-hosting is a total game changer. Taking the time to self-host gives you complete control over your own private infrastructure. No third-party servers ever see your chat logs, and you get that enterprise-grade privacy for essentially just a few bucks a month in basic server costs.
Section 4. The ideal user profile. So who exactly is this deliberately simple widget built for? Well, it's absolutely ideal for a small online community, a local business, or a live event page. Because its lightweight architecture means it provides real-time messaging without ever slowing down your website. Just imagine you're streaming a live webinar on your custom site, or maybe you're hosting a local community game jam. You really just need a sidebar where people can cheer, interact, or ask quick questions while they watch. Embedding a heavy customer service bot there would be massive overkill and could honestly ruin the page load speed. But Talk.io handles that flawlessly. It instantly gives attendees a shared space for real-time discussion without needing to build anything custom. It's also a fantastic low-cost trial for small businesses who want to test if having live chat actually adds value long before they commit to a heavy, paid platform.
Section 5. Limitations to consider.
To maintain an objective view of the software landscape, we absolutely have to talk about what this tool intentionally does not do. You need to set clear internal expectations that if you require detailed engagement analytics or private, unmoderated one-on-one conversations, the deliberate minimal design of Tilk.io means it just won't be the right fit. It's designed for public group chat, plain and simple, and you have to understand why these boundaries exist. Adding ticketing and robust analytics requires heavy databases and tracking scripts, which is exactly the bloat Tilk.io strips away to maintain its blazing speed. It really is a feature, not a bug. And because it's public, a common mistake to avoid is embedding the widget without a moderation plan. You definitely need to assign a team member to keep an eye on things during high traffic periods, just so the public chat remains healthy and on topic.
Which naturally leads us to the absolute most common question businesses ask when they're evaluating a chat tool like this. Is Talk.io suitable for customer support conversations? The honest answer, no. If you need to track tickets, assign agents, and manage structured customer support, you really should graduate to a dedicated platform like Chatwood instead. Structured support means you need service-level agreements, ticket routing so the right department gets the query, and email fallbacks in case the customer goes offline. Talk.io's ephemeral, live-in-the-moment nature doesn't do any of that. Actually, scratch that. It's not just that it doesn't do it, it's deliberately built not to. Using Talk.io for deep customer support is kind of like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It's built to stay simple, so let it be simple.
Section 6. Final verdict and conclusion. Let's wrap up this analysis by looking at the tangible business and financial impact of choosing Tilk.io. $240. That number is your estimated annual savings compared to a basic commercial widget subscription, strictly by choosing this free, low-friction alternative. Think about it. If you're paying an average of $20 a month for a basic commercial chat widget, that is $240 a year. By swapping to this free alternative for casual chat, that is immediate cash flow put right back into your small business. You can use that for marketing, inventory, or just to pad your bottom line.
Because there's no historical chat data to worry about, migrating from a paid tool is literally as simple as swapping an embed code. This makes it the absolute best way to test if website chat adds value before committing any of your budget. Most businesses can complete this switch in an hour. You just test the new code on a staging version of your site, then swap it over to live. And if you don't like it, you just delete the code. There are no massive user databases to port over, so the technical risk of testing this tool is essentially zero. When you're evaluating functionality per dollar spent, the free hosted tier delivers incredible value, and hands down, it's the absolute simplest setup in this entire series.
And that officially closes out our module on communication and collaboration. Next time, we're shifting gears to tackle a massive pain point for so many teams, your documentation needs. We'll be diving into a super popular free wiki platform called Bookstack to help you organize all that institutional knowledge. Make sure to subscribe to Uplatz so you don't miss the rest of this free and open source software for SMEs series. But before we sign off today, I want you to look at your current website stack. Seriously ask yourself, are you paying a premium for complex, bloated chat features your visitors aren't even using? If the answer is yes, take 10 minutes today to drop tlk.io onto a staging site. It might just be the easiest software win you have all quarter. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep exploring.